Now we will discuss the important cereal crop wheat, which is, I guess, the most widely used cereal crop. What are the nutritional importance of this crop? It is, as I said, very widely cultivated throughout the world. There are two crops that are harvested. Uh, it is winter varieties or summer varieties, also called as summer wheat or winter wheat. And there are thousands of other varieties available of wheat crop that are sown all over the world for all the different reasons. They are commonly milled into flour. This is a common product that is achieved through milling of wheat. It can also be grounded to form whole wheat flour. For example, our traditional chakkis would actually grind all the wheat and would made up this whole wheat flour. The refined flour is called as maida, and it is used in making bread and all the bakery products. And it does come from the flour mills. Whereas the whole wheat flour, which is commonly called as atta, it is used for preparation of chapatis or other routine cuisine that we are very much used to. Compared to refined flour, if we talk about the whole wheat flour, because it has got the other component like bran as well as alluron layer, it had germ, so it would have higher protein content, it would have iron content, it would have higher thiamine content. So nutritionally, whole wheat is far more important than the refined wheat flour. If we talk about the different types of wheat, again there are two broader classification of wheat. One is called hard wheat and another is called as soft wheat. Hard wheat is the one which has got higher amount of protein in them, and it produces more elastic doughs. Dough would mean when you knead this flour and make up a paste-like structure for making chapatis or bread. This is called as dough, and it is desirable to produce elastic doughs in case of all the bakery products. So hard wheats are generally used for making bread because they would have higher protein, their doughs are more elastic, so they can expand and produce desirable end product. So these hard wheats are all used for making breads and other baking products. Commonly used other products that we achieve from wheat are vermicelli, also called as savia, broken wheat, which is a porridge. Noodles are also formed from wheat. Suji, also called as semolina, is another byproduct of wheat milling. We do have morning breakfast cereals that are manufactured by wheat. It is also used in canned soups to actually make them thicken. Pasta products are all again achieved through wheat. So these are all the different kind of products which are available in the market that comes from wheat. It is a practice that wheat flour may be added with certain minerals such as iron and calcium. And in Pakistan, we normally have a law that all the flour must be fortified with iron and zinc. There could be also different additions of vitamins that are added to wheat. As I said that because wheat during the process of milling would lose some of the nutritional components such as vitamins and minerals. So generally we would add up these back into the flour so that we don't suffer from this malnutrition. Then flour has got some other applications as well, other than making breads or pasta or other products. It is used as a thickener as well. So most of the canned stews or soups and gravies, this would actually make those final products as a thickened product, so that would increase the viscosity of those products basically. So that's why flour has got all these applications as well. And most of the breakfast cereals, they are formed from the wheat grain. So this was all about the nutritional importance of wheat. As I said that although we use that for making our daily routine chapatis from wheat, but there are a lot of other industrial products and there are a lot of other industrial uses of wheat flour as well. So this covers all about the nutritional importance of wheat.